The transformation of Camp Nou is entering a critical phase, with multiple areas of the stadium showing coordinated and fast-paced development. From the rapid expansion of the compression ring to the first visible signs of louver installation across key sectors, today's update highlights structural progress, facade preparation, and internal system work happening simultaneously across the site. In the South Goal sector, work is now clearly focused on preparing the structure for louver installation. Crews have begun installing anchor points on the upper supports, although only a limited number are currently visible at the top level. In contrast, the lower sections already show significant progress, with multiple anchors secured across several supports. Additionally, within the false ceiling zone, a higher density of installed anchors can be observed. This indicates that the groundwork for louver installation is already well advanced in the lower areas, and the upper sections will likely follow shortly. The progression here is methodical, ensuring all connection points are correctly aligned before the installation of facade elements begins. Adjacent to this, work continues around a key structural core where elevated platforms are in operation. The main steel framework in this area appears largely completed, with only minor finishing tasks such as welding remaining. This level of completion suggests that the next phase, installation of sandwich panels, is approaching. These panels will enclose the structure and define the external appearance of this section. With the structural skeleton already in place, this transition could happen quickly once preparatory work is finalized. Beneath the structural slabs, crews are installing suspension systems for mechanical infrastructure. These include mounting points for black utility pipes that will run throughout the stadium. Workers are tightening and securing these fixtures, ensuring proper alignment across the entire section. This system is critical for internal operations and is being extended consistently, indicating synchronized progress between structural and mechanical installation phases. A major highlight is the successful installation of a radial beam, which had previously been delayed due to technical issues. With that resolved, the beam is now in position, and the structure is prepared for the addition of a new compression ring segment. Nearby, cranes and staging areas are filled with components, including large truss sections ready for lifting. This confirms that the next phase of compression ring assembly is imminent, and additional segments are expected to be installed very soon. The compression ring continues to grow at a strong pace. With materials already prepared and positioned, the coming weeks are expected to bring rapid and continuous expansion of this critical roof support system. The coordination between crane operations, material staging, and installation teams suggests a highly optimized workflow, allowing multiple sections to be developed simultaneously without delays. In the lateral sections, previously installed connection points for louvers are clearly visible. Some areas already have fully installed support systems, while others are still in preparation. Workers are actively welding and adjusting these components, ensuring structural integrity before additional supports are added. This phased approach indicates that louver installation will soon extend beyond the south goal into these adjacent sections. There is continuous crane activity across the site, with structural components being repositioned and staged. Some elements appear newly delivered, while others are being prepared for immediate installation. Chains and lifting systems are being removed from certain components, indicating that these pieces are now ready for placement. This efficient handling of materials is essential for maintaining the project's current pace. In the central lateral section, there are no major visible updates. Prefabricated seating elements and temporary supports remain in place, suggesting this area is currently in a holding phase. Work here will likely resume once surrounding structural and facade elements reach the next stage of completion. In the corner zones, crews are installing guiding systems and alignment lines for future louver placement. Although no new louvers have been installed here yet, the infrastructure is nearly complete. With a large number of louver panels already staged nearby, it is highly likely that installation in this section will begin in the immediate future. In the north goal, progress is more advanced, with active louver installation already underway. A crane is currently currently lifting a red louver panel into position, while multiple elevated platforms assist in guiding and securing it. Work is focused on completing the lower sections first, ensuring a stable base before continuing upward. One section is already fully covered, while another is in progress, demonstrating clear and consistent advancement. Above the louver installation, workers are installing dark facade panels along the upper structure. These panels are mounted onto previously installed beams and are being added progressively. This phase contributes significantly to the stadium's external appearance, gradually defining its final architectural identity. Concrete pumps are present but currently inactive, indicating a pause in pouring operations. However, in upper sections, crews are beginning to remove formwork panels, confirming that the concrete has cured and structural elements are complete. This marks the transition from structural work to finishing phases in those areas. Another section of the north goal shows rapid installation of vertical louver supports, which now appear nearly complete. These supports will soon receive horizontal connectors, enabling full louver installation. The speed of progress here indicates strong momentum in facade-related work. Across multiple areas of the stadium, workers are applying protective coatings and paint to steel structures. This includes covering exposed surfaces and treating bolts with anti-corrosion materials. This process is essential for durability and is being carried out systematically across the entire structure. In the tribuna section, new horizontal connection elements have been added to vertical supports. These will hold future louver panels in place. Additionally, sandwich panels and concrete panels are already installed in parts of the mobility cores, while more panels are staged nearby, ready for installation. This indicates continued expansion of enclosed structural areas. At the exterior commercial zone, workers are installing finishing elements between glass panels. These components improve both the appearance and functionality of the facade, ensuring proper sealing and alignment. Across the stadium, steel beams and trusses still require extensive painting and finishing work. While some sections show limited visible activity, key structural and facade systems are progressing steadily. The combination of structural completion, facade installation, and mechanical integration highlights the project's transition into a more advanced phase. With the compression ring expanding rapidly, louver installation gaining momentum, and facade systems taking shape, the redevelopment of Camp Nou is clearly entering a decisive stage. Multiple construction phases are now advancing in parallel, and with materials already prepared across the site, the coming weeks are expected to deliver even faster and more visible progress across the entire stadium.